potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. When amine, primary amine, aliphatic or aromatic primary amine, when aliphatic or aromatic primary amine is treated with chloroform in presence of potassium hydroxide, it gives isocyanide having a foul smell. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction. Carbylamine reaction. This is an important reaction to distinguish between primary amine and secondary amine. For example, primary amine, ethanamine, and secondary amine, N-methyl ethanamine or N-methyl ethanamine can also be taken. There is 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine. These two can be distinguished by using this reaction. Carbylamine reaction can be used to distinguish primary amine with secondary or tertiary amine. The carbylamine reaction is shown only by the primary amine but not by secondary and tertiary amine. The next one is reaction with nitrous acid. Primary amine reacts with nitrous acid to form the diazonium salt. For example, in aliphatic RNH2, when it is treated with nitrous acid, R, it is obtained in C2. This is obtained by treating with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 0 degree Celsius. It gives the diazonium salt. It is unstable. The aliphatic diazonium salt is unstable. It undergoes further reaction with water to give alcohol. But aromatic amine, for example, aniline, when it is treated with sodium nitrite and HCl at 0 degree Celsius, it gives benzene diazonium salt. We will discuss later on about the benzene diazonium salt. It is a highly synthetic, it has highly synthetic importance used for the synthesis of a number of organic compounds. Next property, reaction with benzene sulfonyl chloride. This reaction is also used to distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Benzene amine reacts with primary amine. First, primary amine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride to give sulfonamide. Which is soluble in sodium hydroxide. Secondary amine reacts with sulfonyl chloride to give sulfonamide. Insoluble in base sodium hydroxide, and tertiary amine does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. No reaction. Reaction of amines with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. The primary amine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride to give the sulfonamide, which is N-alkyl sulfonamide, that is soluble in sodium hydroxide. Secondary amine also gives sulfonamide, but it is insoluble in sodium hydroxide. And tertiary amine does not react with the benzene sulfonyl chloride. So, this reaction can be used to distinguish or separation of the mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines can be distinguished by using this reaction. This reaction is also known as Hinsberg reagent reaction. Hinsberg Hinsberg reagent reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction of aromatic amines. Bromination of aniline. Aniline on bromination gives 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Why it gives 2,4,6-tribromoaniline? Tri-substituted product. Since amino group is ortho-para-directing as well as activating group, so it increases the reactivity of this benzene. That's why it gives 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. If you want to get only the one para-bromo or only mono-substituted amine, this amino group is protected. Here amino group is protected by treating with acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine to convert it into the acetanilide. After converting acetanilide, when bromination is done, then we get bromo product, followed by hydrolysis we get para-bromoaniline. This deactivates the reactivity of aniline. Since that is, if you see the structure, we will find here C double bond O NH2. In this way, it deactivates the reactivity of aniline. That's why bromo, to get the para-bromoaniline, the aniline is converted into first acetanilide. Then after converting acetanilide, we get mono substituent. Next electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline, that is nitration. As we know, aniline is ortho-para-directing. On nitration, it gives ortho-nitroaniline, para-nitroaniline. Beside these two, in addition to these two, we get meta-nitroaniline also. So the product is ortho-nitroaniline, para-nitroaniline and meta-nitroaniline. The question is asked, aniline is ortho-para-directing, but on nitration it gives unexpected para-nitroaniline. Why? As we know, aniline is a base. During nitration, it reacts with the acid, that is nitric acid or sulfuric acid, to convert into the anilinium ion. Since it is a meta-directing in nature, due to this its meta-directing nature, we get meta product also, that is meta-nitroaniline. So again, to get the para-nitroaniline, this amino group is protected. Further, it is protected by converting into the acetanilide. When aniline is treated with pyridine, acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine, acetanilide is formed, and acetanilide further nitration gives para-nitroaniline. Next electrophilic substitution reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. When aniline is treated with alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3, there is no reaction. That is, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why? The question is asked, why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? As we know, aniline is a base and Friedel-Crafts reaction is carried out in presence of a Lewis acid, that is a weak acid. The base react with this acid, that is Lewis acid, to form a salt. Instead of producing the electrophile, AlCl3 is utilized to form the salt. That's why it does not generate electrophile. Hence, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. The last portion of this chapter is benzene diazonium salt. Here I have written the reactions regarding the preparation and properties of the benzene diazonium salt. First, preparation. Benzene diazonium salt is prepared by diazotization reaction. When aniline is treated with nitrous acid is formed in C2 by treating sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at low temperature, 0 degree Celsius, we get benzene diazonium chloride. So before that, we can prepare from benzene also. From benzene, it is converted to nitrobenzene by nitration, then nitrobenzene into the aniline by reduction, then aniline is converted to diazonium salt. The property of diazonium salt, since diazonium salt has importance, large importance, it is used to synthesize large number of organic compound. There are two major reaction. One is substitution reaction. These all are substitution reaction. And another one is coupling reaction. Substitution reaction, first three reaction, when it is treated with copper chloride in hydrochloric acid, copper bromide with hydrobromide, copper cyanide with HCl, this forms chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and benzene nitrile. This reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. This name reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, is also asked. What is Sandmeyer reaction? Any one example can be given for Sandmeyer reaction. Benzene diazonium salt, when treated with CuCl and HCl, it forms chlorobenzene. And bromobenzene with CuBr, benzene nitrile with CuCN. The another one reaction is again name reaction, Gattermann reaction. When it is treated with copper and HCl, it forms chlorobenzene. That is Gattermann reaction. With Ki, it forms iodobenzene. With HBF4, is formed fluorobenzene. When it is treated with HBF4 followed by NaNO2, we get nitrobenzene. When it is heated with water, we get phenol. When it is treated with H3PO2 or ethanol, we get benzene. These all are substitution reaction. Another important reaction is coupling reaction. When diazonium salt is coupled with phenol, we get dye, orange dye, that is para-hydroxyazobenzene. When it is treated with aniline, we get yellow dye, that is para-aminobenzene. That is the end of this chapter. I hope you can solve the questions in your textbook, that is question number exercise. You can note down the question, page number 400, the exercise question number 1 related to IPSC naming, question number 2 related to the distinguish, very important question. Question number 3 also very important regarding the basic characters and reasoning questions. Question number 4 again important reaction, arranging in increasing and decreasing order of basic strength. Then conversion, question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, 8, 9 and 10, again 9 and 11 is important reaction. To complete the reaction, and question number 10 is one word problem question, that is also asked, and 12, 13. I hope you can solve all these questions on the basis of this study. Thank you.